When you add or subtract, this rule compulsory. What is the rule? Make the denominator same. When you add or subtract, make the denominator same. If the denominators are same, then only you can add or subtract. Clear? In multiplication and division case, we will not check it denominator. Only you have to check in add or subtract. How you can make the denominator same? Finding LCM. Otherwise, any common multiple you choose. Otherwise, cross multiplication method. 3 methods are there for making the denominator same. One example I will show you and 3 methods I will show you. Okay. Example 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10. First I am using LCM. Okay. What is the LCM of 5 and 10? 5. 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are 10. 2 table 1 will not come, so you have to write 1. 2 1 are 2. Okay. Now LCM equals 5 into 2 into 1 into 1. That is 10. We are getting LCM as 10. Understand, children? Now, when you will get LCM, what you have to do next step? With LCM, you have to multiply each rational number. 2 by 5 into 10 and 3 by 10 into 10. 2 by 5 into 10, cut out 5, 2 are 10, 10, 10 will be cut out. What is the answer? Your LCM is 10. Here 4 plus 3. Am I right? 2 2 are 4. Here 3. You have to add 7 by 10. Okay. Understand everybody? In between you can put a plus sign because here plus. Understand, children? Here, children, you can think that madam multiplied by 10 and cut out also, then where this 10 came. Okay. I already told the property that when you will multiply 10 to up, then you have to multiply 10 by denominator also. That 10 is hidden. Okay, already 10 is there. Clear, children? Understand? Now, this is LCM method. Now, common multiple. Second, common multiple method. Common multiple method. You have to take any common multiple of 5 and 10. 5 table, 10 table. That number should come. 5 table 10 is coming, 10 table 10 is coming. Okay. Otherwise 5 table 15 coming, 10 table 15 not coming. 5 table 20 coming, 10 table 20 coming. Then you can take it 20 as LCM. 20 as LCM, not LCM. This is a common multiple. After that, you have to multiply 20. Same process. Okay. 5 and 20 will cut out. 5 4 are 20. 10 2 are 20. 4 2 are 8 plus 3 2 are 6. I already told you 20. Here you are multiplying many. Here also you are multiplying with the denominator. Okay. Always you understand like that. But we will multiply up only. This is understood. You will get 14 by 20. Cut out 7 2 are 10 2 are 2 table. See, same answer getting or not? Okay. Now 2 by 5 by 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10 cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication. Cross you multiply. 2 10 are 20, 5 3 are 15. Your denominator is multiplication of the denominator only. 10 5 are 50. Clear children? 2 10 are 20, 5 3 are 50, 5 10 are 50. 35 by 50. Cut it in 5 table. 7 by 10. Okay children, everywhere same answer only you will get, but methods are different. Any method you can choose children. LCM, common multiplication, cross multiplication, any method. You have to understand 3 methods. Okay, practice it your home. Multiplication and division, no need to check the denominator. Direct you can multiply, direct you can divide. Multiplication case, fraction number already you studied. Cut out the number in a simplest form you will get. Okay, see 1 by 8 into 60 by 25. You can cut out this 5 table. After cutting, see you will get a 3 by 10. Here mixed fraction given. Whenever you will see mixed fraction, you have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. After that you cut it. 7 table coming and 3 table coming, cut out. 2 5 10. When you will cut out numerator to denominator only you can cut. Never cut numerator to numerator. Yeah, denominator to denominator. Clear? Up and down you have to cut out. Here also improper fraction you have to convert. Mixed given. Mixed number, see this is a number, this is a number, this is whole number, and this is a proper fraction. This proper fraction you can cut it and short, no problem. Okay, simplest fraction you can use 3 and 7, because 6 by 14 you can cut it in 2 table. 2 3 are 6, 2 7 are 14. After that getting number, make it improper, cut out. 3 table, 7 table, 8 2 are 16. Here also same procedure I done. 2 by 16 you can cut out and short it. 1 by 8 you will get. After that you make improper fraction, and these numbers can't cut out. Okay, 49 and 8, 9 and 8 will not be come in any number table. So straight away you multiply and divide it. I hope everybody understood. Already you done in fraction chapter. How you doing like that only, here also you will do it, but here you have to apply integers property also. Question number 9. Find the additive inverse of the following rational number. When I taught properties of rational number, that time I explained what is additive inverse. Additive inverse meaning you change the sign of the number. 2 by 3 additive inverse is here plus 2 by 3, then additive inverse is minus 2 by 3. Here minus 6 by 5, additive inverse of minus 6 by 5, it will come plus 6 by 5. 3 by minus 11, actually this minus you can take it up because standard form. Minus 3, it will come plus 3. 97 by 19 plus, it will come minus. Additive inverse, inverse of additive, that means you have to take the opposite side. Represent the following rational numbers on the number line. 5 by 2 and minus 7 by 4. This I will show. Simplify the fraction. 3 by 12 plus 10 by 3. Here 3 by 12 you can make it simplest fraction. After that you take LCM, yeah, any method. I done cross multiplication. Okay, here also mixed fraction you convert into improper fraction. Denominators are same, so straight away you can add numerator and cut down. I hope everybody understood. Next problem. Here also make it simplest fraction. After that convert into improper fraction. Here I taken common multiple, here 10, here also I made 10 by multiplying 5 up and down. Clear, children? Division, how you will divide? First one number is called dividend, second is divisor. Everybody know that one. So you have to take a divisor and take reciprocal. First you convert into improper fraction. 2, 5 or 10 plus 2, 12. Take reciprocal and multiply. That is the rule. When you want to divide two rational number, second rational number you take the reciprocal and multiply. Reciprocal meaning commute the numerator and denominator. 5 will be move up, 12 will be come down, and division sign will be converted to multiplication sign. After that cut out. But by 3 is the answer. Here addition and subtraction, first you have to add up. Okay. Cross multiplication method, because it is very easy. 2 2 are 4, 5 3 are 15, 5 2 are 10. Minus again 19 by 10 minus 7 by 9. Again I used the cross multiplication. 99 are 171, 10 7 are 70, 10 9 are 90. Subtract and divide, you will get answer. Clear, children? See, number 10, represent the following rational numbers on the number line. 5 by 2 minus 7 by 4, 1 by 3 minus 8 by 5. 5 by 2, first question, 5 by 2. See, first of all you have to draw a number line with a pencil and scale compulsory. Not draw with a pen. Check it numerator and denominator, which number is greater. Numerator is greater number 5. So you have to denote at least 5 on number line. More than 5 also you can denote. Your number is positive, so negative number you denote less only. Okay. So from here 0 in number line, 0 lying on the middle. Positive numbers right side of the 0, negative numbers left side of the 0. So 0 I am representing here because negative number less only one. Your number is positive. So minus 1, minus 2, like that going on. And in between two numbers you have to keep a equal width. With the scale you have to draw. Then equal width you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Till 5 only you want, but even that you can represent, denote. Okay. After that, what is the denominator 2? You give it 2 as denominator in each number. Okay. Denominator is 2. Now you check it, children. Where is your number lying? 5 by 2. See, this is 5 by 2. Clear? Next one, minus 7 by 4. 7 and 4, 7 is greater number. Till 7 you have to represent, but minus number is there, minus, and then 0 left side is negative number is lying. So positive number less only you want, negative number you take more. Never represent negative number right side of 0, that is fully wrong. Okay, so whenever you will denote positive number right side of the 0, left side of the 0 negative number. If you want a negative number more, 0 you represent right side and left side you keep negative numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3 till minus 7, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. That you can, as your wish, you can denote the numbers. And denominator is 4. You have to give the denominator 4. One of the number, your number will be then. Every number, each number you have to give 4, otherwise wrong only, okay? Notes put to -7 only 4. Rest of them as it is you writing, that also wrong. Every number you have to give 4 as denominator. Clear? One of the number is your number, that is -7/4. See here your number. Clear? Like that way you have to represent the number on number line. Now you can do yourself. This one your homework.